friends at home. In this video, I will be doing this Lent test with you. Make sure that you have a pencil and make sure you have your test out in front of you. The first thing I do is always the same. Take out my pencil and write down my name. Make sure you use those lines and write your name nicely. That way when Mrs. Hatkoff or I are grading them, we'll be able to tell right away whose test it is without struggling to read your name. So for this first part, boys and girls, it says circle the words that best complete the sentences. So I will read through each sentence. I will read you both choices and you will circle the best choice, okay? Number 1 says, during Lent, we get ready to celebrate blank. Do we get ready to celebrate Christmas or Easter during Lent? Circle your choice. What are we getting ready for during Lent? Christmas or Easter? Number 2 says, ashes in the shape of a blank remind us to follow Jesus. Are the ashes in the shape of a cross or in the shape of a star? The ashes, are they in the shape of a cross or the shape of a star? Circle your answer. Number 3 says, God sent a blank as a sign of his promise to Noah. Did God send a dove or did he send the rainbow? What was the symbol of God's promise? A dove or the rainbow? Circle your answer. Number 4 says, baptism brings blank in Jesus to Christians. Does baptism bring new toys in Jesus? Or does baptism bring new life in Jesus? If you think baptism brings new toys, circle new toys. And if you think baptism brings new life, circle new life. And the last one, number 5, says, our prayers during Lent bring us closer to Jesus or Easter? What do our prayers do? Do our prayers bring us closer to Jesus or Easter? Now, boys and girls, in just a minute, I'll have you come back to this side. It says, draw or write about a way that you can follow Jesus during Lent. So keep that in mind. But very quickly, if you turn it over on this side, it says, use your blue and red crayons. And if you forget what to do, these are words you can read. It says, first use blue to color the path that leads to Jesus. Then use red to color the path that does not lead to Jesus. And then finally color the rest of the picture. So the path that follows Jesus should be blue. The path that does not follow Jesus should be red. And then color the rest of the picture. Don't forget, on the other side, you still need to draw or write about a way that you can follow Jesus during Lent. When you have that picture drawn nicely, like a first grade drawing, not a preschool drawing, and when you have this side completed, you may turn in your test. And friends at home, you may take a picture of both sides and upload. I'll see you later.